In this video, we're going to talk about problem 4.5.25. A square wire loop is rotating in the magnetic field between two poles of a magnet, see the north and south pole here, in order to induce an electric current. So this is an electromagnet. The axis of rotation passes through the center of the loop and is midway between the poles as shown in the given figure. How far is the edge of the loop from either pole if the side of the square is 7.60 centimeters and the poles are 7.79 centimeters apart, and the angle between the loop and the vertical is 81 degrees. Okay, so all that is given there in the picture. Let's see if I can make the picture a little bit bigger for you so that you can see what's going on there. Right? And so first we're going to create a right triangle using half of the wire as the hypotenuse and the given angle. Notice that the right triangle is going to be drawn. Let me just draw it right here. So we're going to draw. See if it'll let me draw on top of the picture. It won't. But from right here, from this point up and over to this edge right here, I'm going to draw a right triangle like so. And it's awful. There we go. So this angle right here is the given angle of 81 degrees. This is the right triangle, and the hypotenuse is going to be half of the length of the wire. So there we go. So if the wire was 7.60 centimeters, then this hypotenuse here should be half of 7.60 is 3.80. So let's draw that here. And we should have the side, the adjacent side, is what we want to solve for here. So let's call that side A, and cosine of 81.0 degrees is equal to that adjacent side divided by that hypotenuse. We're going to solve for A by saying 3.80 cosine of 81.0 degrees. It's going to be 0.594450,967. We're going to round to 2 decimal places. So A is approximately 0.59. These are centimeters. Zero 0.59 centimeters on this side. And now we're going to use the distance between the poles and the vertical distance from the axis of rotation, which we just found, to the edge of the wire to find the distance from the edge of the wire to the respective pole. So let's first find the distance from half the distance from one pole to the other, so that we find the distance from this point A to either pole. So let's take this 7.79 and divide it by 2, and that is 3.895, which we are going to round to 2 decimal places as 3.90. Just because we've been doing everything else in 2 decimal places, we'll keep this in 2 decimal places as well. This is centimeters. So now we're going to find the difference between these two numbers, 3.90 centimeters minus 0.59 centimeters is 3.31 centimeters. And that is our answer to this problem. All right. Come back next time and talk about problem 4.5.28. See you for the next video.